There is a lot of misinformation out there when it comes to getting a mortgage. Rates are low, we know that, but qualifying is nearly impossible, right? Well, maybe not. Here to set the record straight, a couple of experts. Say good morning to Tracy Yamato from Coldwell Banker, and of course Joy Skorge from Pacific Access Mortgage. Guys, welcome. Thanks for getting up so early. Tracy, can you get a mortgage out there?
Yeah, contrary to what a lot of people think, loans are available, and it's what I would call back to the future, in that the underwriting standards are what they were maybe 10, 15 years ago.
Okay, so it's easing up a little bit, Joy.
Not necessarily. It's exactly the way it was, like Tracy said, about 10 or 15 years ago, before all the subprime lending and the easy, laxed kind of underwriting guidelines came about. So you still need to have good credit, you still need to have some money for down payment and closing costs, you still need to have a job, but the key is you have to document it all. You have to provide your paperwork to prove that you have a job, income, assets. Yeah.
You can't do those no-doc, what they used to call liar loans, right? Where you can make up anything.
Definitely not anymore.
But it's still easier. Is the credit market a little looser than it was a year or two ago? I mean, no more. We just had a misconception about that.
If you qualified 10 or 15 years ago, you'll still be able to qualify now. So good buyers are always good buyers. Okay. Qualified buyers will always be able to get a loan.
You mentioned the subprime thing and what was going on there. There were those no-doc loans. There were also loans where you could get with just a little bit of money down. Can you get those anymore?
Actually, there are loan programs available with little or no down. Government loans, VA, USDA, and even on conventional loans, you can go as low as 3% down with mortgage insurance.
But not every property that you're looking at would qualify for that, right?
Not every property, your buyer, all needs to qualify for the loan program. And to elaborate on that, some programs don't even need to have the buyer's own money. If you have immediate family members that are willing to gift you the funds, you can sometimes get a loan without having all of your own money.
But again, you need to document the source of those funds.
Yes,
and then you know where they're coming from.
Exactly.
The other thing, loans are available, and this is important, especially in Hawaii with the price of real estate here. Loans available above $1 million?
Yes, we call them jumbo loans. That's actually anything above 625.5. And over the past couple of years, that's totally dried up, but now it's coming back. And again, like you said, because of our price points here in Oahu especially, you know, we really need those jumbo loans. And Joy can elaborate on the down requirements.
It's usually 20% down. And
for
of course,
yeah,
you have to be a good buyer. You have to be able to be qualified to get $1 million from a bank or a credit union. But in the past, these loans have probably in the last 2 years almost dried up. So we're seeing a little bit more interest, more lenders willing to entertain these large loans.
Jumbo loans.
So it's a good thing for Hawaii market, Hawaii real estate.
Excellent. Tracy, Joy, thanks for setting the record straight with us here on Real Estate of Mind. We'll have all this information on our website at hawaiinewsnow.com.